Hello and welcome, third graders. Welcome to lesson 1.2. Today we're going to talk about the student reference book. Now, in the classroom, this is a hardback book that you might have used before. We also have access to the student reference book online, and so I'm going to be showing that to you today. Where you'll want to start here is the Perry Township Resource Portal. And if your Chromebook isn't there, you can always just press the little home guy and it will come up. To get there, you can scroll down to this section called Online Textbooks. And we want our math is through a company called McGraw-Hill. And so you'll be choosing McGraw-Hill. Once you choose McGraw-Hill, you'll get to this giant dashboard with all these different buttons on it. You're looking for one that says MC. Now, mine's right here. Yours might be on this side or might be on this side, but you're looking for the MC one that says McGraw-Hill Education. When you get to that, then click it. Now, mine's going to come up with all sorts of choices here. Okay, in just a moment, it's going to come up with all sorts of books. See, I have lots. Okay, you should probably just have one and then a button that says launch. That's what I'm hopeful for. Okay, if you do, then you just press the launch button. Okay, and when you press the launch button, you'll see something like this. Now, it might not have the same lesson here. It definitely won't have the same date, but hopefully it has these icons, these tools. You're going to choose the one today here called My Reference Book. My Reference Book. So you're going to click that one. And when you do that, yours will look something like this. I don't know if it'll go right to this page. This went, for me, went to the cover. But this is an online copy of your student reference book. So I want to show you a few different ways to get around this book. Okay, right up here is a table of contents tab, and this is really nice. Okay, this is where you're going to go most of the time that you need to find something. Right, and what this starts with, these first three choices are just kind of introductions. The real good stuff in this student reference book is down here once we get into these categories. So what we can do is to look in these categories when we're looking to learn more about a certain topic. So this says numbers, operations, and algebraic thinking. So if I click this little down arrow, it's going to show me all of the categories and things that I can read about here, right? I could read about arrays, I could read about fact families. Then I can press this up and it'll kind of shrink back up in there. Number of operations in base 10. If I click that, I see all sorts of things. Number uses, number grid. That's one that you're going to need in a little bit with your math journal. Name collection boxes. So I'm just going to go to that one. When I click that, right, I get a copy of the actual book. I can listen to that by clicking the little sound icons here. I can also put a bookmark here if I want to be able to find this page later, right? I can add a bookmark. If it's too small for you, you can use the little zoom tool that's up here, and that'll help you to zoom in. So those are all things that are available on the different pages. So what we did, we went to contents, and then we went in one of these sections. Now, some other things that are available here, down here at the bottom, some of the tools that you might need, the glossary. Glossaries are a text feature in nonfiction books that tell you the meanings of words. So if I zoom in here, I can see that the word approximate means close to or exact. And here's the definition for area. So glossaries can be very useful. And then the index is another text feature right here that shows you the different things on different pages, right? And so if I'm looking for addition, basic facts pages, page 108. Well, how would I get to page 108? Oh, that'd take forever to just, I'm on page 318. If I wanted to, I'd have to click a million times on these little side things if I wanted to get all the way to page 108. What I can do if there's a specific page you want to go to, you just type in that number down here and press this little go arrow, and it's going to take me right to page 108. The last thing that I want to talk about is how some of these pages have different problems that you can practice. So we're going to go to page 50, typing 50. I'm going to show you this on this page. And here you can see some check for understanding problems. Okay, right down here. And it has 1, 2, 3 problems. And then it says, check your answers in the answer key. Well, so where's that? Go to contents and you can see answer key. When you click answer key, it will take you to all of the answers to those check for understandings problems. So the problems that I was on were on page 50. So the answer for the first one was 36, and I can check my answers. There's more pages. If you click the side arrow, more pages follow that. And then the last thing I want to show you here is rules for games. Rules for games are down here. If I click the down arrow, I can find any game that I want to. Let's say that I want to learn how to play Shuffle 210. I can click on that and I can read all of the rules for that game. All right, so our goal today was really to be able to learn how to use this Math SRB and what's in it and what's valuable in it. In your math journal today, you are looking at math journal page 1.2. Now, this says work with a partner. If you have a parent or somebody available to be your partner, that's fine. If not, you can just skip over that one because really I'm kind of your partner since we're working together here online. You're going to do the following. You're going to locate and read the essay. Essay is just a fancy word for kind of a collection of nonfiction paragraphs called number grids. Remember, we saw that one in the table of contents. So you have to find it and describe what you did to find it. Then you've got a page that you have to go to right here to try to do those problems and find the answers in the answer key. And at the end, you're going to look for the rules for this game. So you're going to be practicing the things that you saw on the video today. All right. If you have any questions or if you need any help, be sure to reach out and good luck.